I straighten my daughter's hair once a while just to encourage her to know how long her hair is. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Susan and you are watching the Crown Style. I'm going to be dropping the link of this product down here because the thing is really nice. In case you are interested, you can just go ahead and click on the link to get yours. This is the heat protecting spray I am using. This is two types. I've been using this one before, but this other one is new, so I decided to give this new one a try. You know me, I like to try new things in case the one I depend on run out of stock, so I can have another one to fall back on. This product I'm using right now, if you like it, you can just click on the link in my description to get it. It's very affordable. It's not expensive at all. The level of the heat I'm using 150. The highest is 260, but I'm using low heat. I'm not using high one. You know, she's a child. I just want her to have this confidence of her and knowing how long her hair is. That is why once a while I do this for her, and the more I do it, the more she feel like, okay, my hair is getting longer. I think I will have to allow mommy to be making my hair anytime she wants, so my hair will get more longer. This is just a little way for me to encourage her, you know, to always allow me to style her hair, you know? And she liked to carry long hair. You really need to see how she was feeling after we finished this hair. Like, she's seeing it on the mirror already. She was already feeling so happy about it, and after the hair was finished, she was like, I can't wait to show daddy how long my hair is. Because there was a time she was not allowing me to make her hair. I just cut her hair, so I cut her hair really low. I could not even hold the hair. So now, and sometimes she just say, mommy, if I had not cut my hair would have been 2 times longer. The hair that I cut, it was almost like this. Though too much ironing, you know, too much hot iron on the hair is really not healthy. If it's your first time coming across my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Please subscribe to my channel, The Crown Styles, for more hairstyles and for more on how to take care of your hair, how to moisturize your hair. I do a lot of things in this channel. To my returning subscriber, thank you so much for your endless support. I appreciate it. In this channel, I create more of kids hairstyle because I am styling my kids' hair. I am a mom of 4 beautiful, amazing girls, and these 4 girls, I am making their hair here. So guys, that's the end of this video. I hope you like it, and I hope you try this product out because it's really nice. You see how she's smiling right now. She's really happy. Like, seeing her hair in the mirror is giving her joy. Thanks so much for watching. Please help me to share, like, and also subscribe if you have not subscribed. Thank you, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Until then, stay safe, remain blessed. Bye for now. Once again, thanks for your time.